Good morning, friends. This is Engineer Imran Aziz. Welcome to my touch channel, CivTech Simplified. I'm presenting another quiz, and the topic for this quiz is burning of bricks. I will present 5 multiple choice questions in this quiz, and all answers would be highlighted. So, question number 1 for today's video is: the burning of bricks in kiln is complete within dash hours. How many hours will take in the kiln for bricks to burn? Answer: option A is 12, option B is 24, option C is 48, and option D is 96. So B is the correct answer. It takes 24 hours to completely burn the bricks in the kiln. So B is the correct answer for this question. The burning of bricks in kiln is complete within 24 hours. Question number 2. The bricks after burning in kiln required about dash days to cool down for unloading. How many days are required after burning of the bricks for bricks to get the strength and cool down? Option A is 4 days, option B is 8 days, option C is 10 days, and option D is 12 days. So the bricks after burning in the kiln required about 12 days to cool down for unloading. D is the correct answer for this question. It takes 12 days to completely cool down. Question number 3. The bricks should be burned at a temperature of the bricks should be burned at temperature from the range. Option A is 300 centigrade to 500 centigrade. Option B is 500 centigrade to 700 centigrade. Option C is 700 centigrade to 1000 centigrade, and option D is 1000 to 1200 centigrade. So the bricks should be burned at a temperature from 1000 centigrade to 1200 centigrade. D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 4. The type of brick suitable for panel walls for multi-storied building is: for multi-story building and paneled wall, option A hollow bricks and option B perforated bricks. Option C either A or B. Option D none of these. So A and B both can be used. So C is the correct answer for this question, either A or B. The type of bricks suitable for panel walls for multi-storied building is either hollow bricks or perforated bricks. Question number 4. Jama bricks are: option A well burned having smooth and even surface, option B slightly overburned having rough surface, option C underburned and can be easily broken, and option D overburned with irregular shape. Jama bricks are: option D overburned with irregular shape. Bricks which is overburned, you must have witnessed those bricks, and it has irregular shape and uh, dark brown or blackish in color. These are called Jama bricks. So that's all. Thank you for being with us. It was a quiz under the topic of burning of bricks. We will be presenting other quizzes from civil engineering topics, and if you have any suggestions, you can send in the comment box or send your suggestions through email to us. We have an email address which is civtechsimplified@gmail.com. Please subscribe to this channel and follow it on TikTok, Facebook, as well as Instagram. Thank you very much.